Alright, what is up guys? In today's video we're going to be working on the 2017 Mustang GT, and in today's video we're going to get the whole front end reassembled, the cooling system, everything to the bumper, and then we're going to go ahead and give it a good wash, interior, exterior, and then we're actually going to take it on its first test drive. So let's go and get into that rebuild. Alright guys, I got a lot of the front end put together. As you can see, I got all the grounds on this side done. This little canister for the windshield washer fluid. The track sensors right there are the steering sensors. All that stuff is in the horns. Just gotta button up a few things. And I do have all the plastics. I have every single OEM piece for the front end. And it's turning out really well. Like, I have every single little piece. I have these pieces, the inner pieces. I have every single plastic piece, just so I can make sure this thing is 100% OEM. And right now, I'm going to go ahead and fill the radiator up and make sure that's all good. Make sure I have it hooked up right. I have the lower hose, the return hose, and I have the top hose hooked up. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill that up. And I have the OEM fluid right here, the orange. I got that from the dealership. And I'm just gonna top this off and start it up and make sure it's taking it and let it bleed, and you know, make sure it's getting cooling right and all that good stuff. So let's get to it. Alright, right now I got to start it up, and I'm just letting the radiator fluid flow, but it really hasn't been started since I've got it. Interior looks really good. Got the little Mustang logo right there. Got the horse on the ground, heck yeah. See, it's slowly taking some fluid, and I'm just going to top that off real quick. Alright, got that topped off. I'm going to go inside and check the temps. probably ran it 30 seconds max so far, if that. I really didn't want to run it was cold. That's why I haven't even really test drove it yet. I wanted to get the whole front end together, guys. But this is probably going to be it for today because it is really getting dark. And you know, I want to continue doing all this stuff in the daylight and get the whole front end together, like the headlights, the bumper, the grill, fog lights, all that good stuff, and put it on the front, and then we can get the test drive. And I'm really excited for that. I have not drove this thing at all, let alone really take it off of the trailer. So I'm really excited for that. I've put a lot of hard work into this build. I want everything to be right, all OEM parts, everything. I want everything to be good in the front end. But I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is the next day, and I'm gonna go ahead and continue throwing the front end together. I still have a couple more pieces like the front bumper, and I need to put the headlights on and all that. Just some small stuff that I need to fix up and completely reassemble. But I'm gonna get on that so we can get this first test drive in. As I just finished getting the whole front end together on the Mustang, and check it out, it looks awesome. I'll let these lights shine for you real quick. Right there, everything works. Turn signals. The only thing I haven't put in yet is the under tray and the fender wells right there. But I'll put everything together, and this is just a little rough toss together, even though it took a lot of time. Obviously I'm gonna clean all this up right here, and there's where it was wrecked down there. It was cut right there. Can't even tell at all. It's on focus, but it looks really good. I have everything tightened up and all that good stuff. Yeah, it's cooling in it. And I guess what I'm gonna do right now is clean up this mess and get it unloaded off the trailer and get the first test drive. All right guys, we got that cleaned up, and now let's get it unloaded off of the trailer. Alright guys, this is going to be the first test drive right here. This is the first time I've drove this car, and I just want to see how it feels and show you guys how it feels, because I've never driven a car like this. Hopefully everything runs right and all that good stuff. I've not drove this car at all, so it's really exciting for me, and it's got a lot of power behind it. You can really hear that exhaust living up, and it is really great. It downshifts perfect. for the little rip session. I just wanted to, you know, take it out for a spin. I still have to throw on the side skirts, and after that, then I'm gonna give it a good wash because it hasn't been washed in a while. It's just been sitting, and I'd like to get that done so all that stuff isn't sitting on it, especially with all that pollen and all that stuff. So let's head back to the house and get started on that. Hey guys, we made it back to the house, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started on installing these side skirts. That's gonna be it for today's video because I ran into a problem with the side skirts. I was missing a couple clips, and I'm just gonna wait for the car wash and everything like that until next video. But like I said, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you guys really enjoyed it and enjoyed seeing the Mustang rip, leave a like, comment on anything that I can do better, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next videos, and check out my Instagram right here. And I'd really appreciate it, guys. But I'll see you guys in the next video.